Welcome to today's meditation session. I'm Jordi from the Conscious Mind Short Meditation. This will be a journey that takes you into a state of relaxation and deep connection with yourself, where you can release all tension and anxiety, allowing your mind and body to merge in peace. Let's begin by choosing a comfortable sitting position. Ensure that your back is straight, your shoulders are relaxed, and gently rolled back to open your chest, creating space for your heart to receive new energy. Rest your hands on your thighs or in your lap, with your palms facing upward to welcome positive energy. Gently close your eyes and start focusing your attention on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling the breath filling your lungs and body, bringing with it light and peace. As you exhale, slowly release any tension, letting it dissolve into the space around you. Continue maintaining this slow, steady rhythm of breathing. With each inhale, feel your body being filled with positive energy, and with each exhale, let go of fear and worry. Allow your body and mind to fully relax, as though you're sinking into a serene, peaceful space, ready for the deep meditation ahead. Now that your body and mind are fully relaxed, imagine a radiant golden light above you, shining from the vast universe. This light is not just an ordinary light, but a symbol of abundance, miracles, and infinite energy the universe is offering to you. This golden light gently descends, surrounding you, embracing your entire being with warmth and tenderness. Each time you inhale, the light becomes brighter and stronger, penetrating deep into every cell of your body, spreading from head to toe. Feel this light filling you, carrying with it a sense of love and completeness, as if the universe is sending you a message that you are deserving of all the good things. As you continue breathing, the golden light starts to sync with the rhythm of your heart. It spreads unconditional love, boundless, free, and serene. Feel this love permeating every corner of your body and soul. As you breathe deeply, repeat in your mind, I am ready to receive love and abundance in all its forms. With every breath, let this affirmation grow stronger within you, knowing that your heart is open to receive all the love and abundance the universe has in store for you. Now that you are enveloped in love and abundance, take a moment to think about a miracle you wish to manifest in your life. It could be anything you desire, a dream you've been nurturing, a change you've been longing for, or a miracle you've been waiting for. Picture this miracle vividly. See it as if it has already come true in your life. Feel the joy, gratitude, and happiness as it unfolds. Visualize every detail. What do you see? How do you feel? And what emotions arise as you live in the reality of this miracle? Allow yourself to be fully immersed in the joy and gratitude. With each inhale, feel the miracle drawing closer. And with each exhale, release any doubts, opening your heart to receive the miracle fully. Remember, your vibration is perfectly aligned with the energy of the universe. You are at the right frequency for miracles to occur. Every breath you take brings you closer to the miracle you desire. Affirm to yourself, I am in sync with the abundance of the universe. Miracles are unfolding in my life. With each repetition, feel the certainty that this miracle is within your reach. Now, as you have visualized and felt the miracle happening in your life, slowly bring your awareness back to the present. However, do not rush away from the peace and alignment you've cultivated during this meditation. Carry this sense of calm, love, and connection with the universe with you. When you feel ready, begin to gently awaken your body by moving your fingers and toes. Feel your body energized and balanced, still immersed in the loving and abundant energy of the universe. Take one final deep breath, feeling the light, love, and miracle you have aligned with. Then, when you are ready, gently open your eyes. Remember, even as you return to your daily life, your connection with the universe, with love, and with abundance remains. Keep this state with you throughout the day, allowing it to guide and protect you in every moment. closing, take a moment to thank the universe and your spirit guides for being with you during this journey. Know that their support and love are always present, helping you overcome challenges and bringing you the best things in life. The miracles and alignment you have activated will continue to grow, accompanying you throughout your day and the days to come.